As a matter of fact, in Nigeria, democracy have come to stay. And what we are saying is that Godfather should not be the deciding factors that will be taking people off seat. Predecessor should not be dictating what successor should be doing when power has been handed over. Today we are here in River State to register our displeasure on the purported rumor of service of impeachment to the executive governor of River State. We are here to stand in solidarity with the governor of River State, telling him that the Ijaw youth all over the world is with him, and that whatever plan some few group of persons are planning against him to castrate him, to take him out of office, that the Ijaw Youth Council will resist that. We are going to stand in solidarity with the governor, and we are telling any person, any group of persons, mischief makers, that's having that plan or intention to take the governor off seat, that they have over 30 million youths to contend with first before they will be able to take the governor away. And that will never happen in as much as River State is concerned. We are not coming in the perspective of ethnic nationality. We are coming in as interested parties, because Ijaw nation, Ijaw ethnic bloc, is a critical stakeholder in the affairs of River State. And in as much as the happenings in River State, if River State today go into crisis, it will affect sons and daughters of Ijaw nation. And we will not fold our hands to watch some few group of persons put River State into crisis.
Okay, on the impeachment process, what will you say about that?
There was nothing like impeachment anywhere. We are all aware that there was even no House of Assembly hall. The complex was nowhere. So where was the sitting? Where was the image of the house, the symbol of authority? There was nothing of that. The time has come and gone where people will be carrying out kangaroo activities against a serving governor. Ijaw Youth Council, Ijaw nation will always, at every given point of that, resist that. We will never be support of kangaroo gang up against a serving governor. What we need as people of the Niger Delta, we know the crisis that engulfed in Warri. Today, business activities have run down, and if that is what they want to replicate here in River State, IYC, Ijaw Youth Council, is saying that we are going to resist those group of persons, because we don't want what happened in Warri to happen here in River State. What we need as people is business-friendly environment where investors are going to come. It is our prayers that IOC should relocate their head offices to the Niger Delta. If we keep on bringing in fighting and create hostile environments for investors, where are our people going to get employment? Where are the business partners that are going to come and invest in the Niger Delta? River State is the epic center of Niger Delta. And in as much as we need business-friendly environment, we won't allow anybody to put River State into crisis. We will resist that. The proactive, pro-democratic, over 30 million Ijaw youth are going to resist that, and we will resist that till peace is restored. And the mandate that has been given to our son, the executive governor of River State, we will never compromise that. We will stand with him. In as much as his agenda is to take River State to the next level, we will stand with him. We will not allow anybody to cajole him. We will not allow anybody to manipulate the mandate that the generality of the river people have been given to the governor.
As a what's your call to the youth of River State?
My call to the youth of River State is they should be law-abiding. They should support the governor that has good intentions, developmental plans, business initiatives, things that will bring stability, that will take Rivers youth off the streets. They should support him. and not to allow some few group of people that call themselves kingmakers, that call themselves people that have power at the level of the federal, to come and destabilize River State.
My name is Barrister Prince Amuda Chigozie Thaddeus, LLM. Indeed, we are pained with what happened yesterday. We are here to express dismay, our displeasure over the assault and the insult done on the golden governor of River State, Sir Siminala Ifubara, and his deputy, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Mma-Odu. And we are here to say that for the sake of peace and for the sake of persons living with visual impairment in River State and persons with disabilities, that the House of Assembly of River State should leave Siminala Ifubara alone to complete his tenure. For the sake of peace. And let me tell you, since Siminala Ifubara became the governor of River State, persons with disabilities have been carried along, particularly in this recruitment exercise. Yes. He has carried us along and has made more promise to include us in his activities, both academically, both employment, and otherwise. Yes. So that is why we are here to air our voice in solidarity and in favor of the government of River State. Let House of Assembly leave him alone. Wait.
It's an interview. You can calm down. So what's your final word to Rivers people?
Our final word to Rivers people is that River State House of Assembly, formerly led by Martin Amehule, should please understand that governance is a continuity. Therefore, for His Excellency, the former governor, to have concluded his 8 years and successfully handed over to the present governor, who is Siminala Ifubara, who has not wronged River State. The so-called impeachment is a sham. The so-called impeachment is barbaric. The so-called impeachment is rejected by man, is rejected by the gods of the land, is rejected by Nigeria Association of the Blind, and is rejected by persons with disabilities in the state. So let them stop that exercise, because it will not work. The God of the persons with disability will not allow it to work.
I am Chief Philip Branago, the National Treasurer of the Ijaw National Congress, INC. INC and well-meaning people of River State and Nigeria is concerned. The scenario that played out itself yesterday is not even to be reckoned about. The reason why I say it should not be reckoned about is that things are to be done constitutionally, legally, because the governor of this state, this our state, River State, precisely I'm from Akuto local government area of this state. So the governor of this state did not assent to the position he is via whatever thing that some persons are doing. He passed through all the legal means as provided by the Nigerian Constitution and the the Electoral Act. And so anybody that wants to do anything concerning his removal, which we know that is not even anything to talk about now. When we are talking of removal, what has he done that somebody will conceive that His Excellency Siminala Joseph Ifubara should be impeached at this point in time? What has he done? He has barely spent 5 or 6 months. So I thank God for the level of solidarity that Rivers people have given to him and will continue to give to him. As of the INC, we are solidly behind him for everything that he's doing. And nobody can take him away on the seat that he's occupying, which is provided for him by the people of River State as endorsed by God Almighty.
What's your last word for Rivers people?
My last word is that every person should remain calm and be law-abiding. Because what, ordinarily should be seen from all these shenanigans is that, people are trying to erupt violence in the state. And that should not be encouraged. Semenelaye, as all of us know him, is a peace-loving person. And will not even endanger the cheek of any human being. Come to talk of human being himself, that he will endanger human being. No. So every person should be calm and be peaceful and law-abiding. That's the word that I will give to Rivers people. But on the other side, on the other side of the coin, the people who are, trying to put this state into a state of violence, confusion, and killings, they should desist from it. I emphasize, they should desist from this their dastardly act, because it is not going to avail them at all. If they have done it before and they got away with it, this time around, it will not be allowed, because this state is the state that is founded on God. So nobody can bring violence and create unnecessary tension in the state that, people will not be at rest. So they should have a rethink and do the right thing that they are supposed to do, which is to live and work peacefully with the governor of this noble state, Rivers State.
I'm Bedford Berefa Benjamin. I'm the national spokesman of the Ijaw Council worldwide.
Today,
Beyond ethnic lines, enough of political godfatherism. We have to allow the man that has a blueprint that the people of Rivers State came in mass to vote for, to lead them in the next 4 years. The system must allow him rule the people the way he should. If he has committed any offense, then of course the public should know the kind of offense he has committed, and the process of impeachment can start. For in less than 6 months, this man has redefined governance in Rivers State, that has indeed endeared the support, the massive support by the people in the creeks and even in the upland. That this man is a man with a vision, with a clear vision to make Rivers State great again. So of course, it's a normal thing that has been happening in the Nigerian politics. But today, it has come to an end in Rivers State, because the Rivers people have shown that indeed they are going to resist any form of illegality. They are going to resist any form of godfatherism that will indeed empty the treasury of the Rivers State account just for personal gains. That similar is standing for justice, is standing for truth, and the Rivers people, particularly the Ijaw people in Rivers State, are saying no, we are going to stand solidly behind him, because we cannot allow impunity, we cannot allow anarchy, we cannot allow godfatherism be the order of the day in Rivers State. So our advice is, all right, in finality, on the final note, Governor SYMFONI should know that the Ijaw people are here to give that massive support. Even the Ekwere people, the Echie people, they are all in support of this government. And we are not going to allow any outsider, any intruder come to interfere with the developing peace that SYM has brought to Rivers State. And therefore, we are going to be occupying this government house until those behind this ungodly and devilish act desist from it and allow Governor SYMFONI